The Congress summit at CWC meeting in Belagavi. Congress workers in Belagavi left the party embarrassed after posters and banners with distorted Indian maps were placed. BJP accused Congress of putting a distorted map of India portraying Kashmir as a part of Pakistan. Parts of POK and Aksai Chin area were also missing from the map used by the Congress cadre for the posters and banners. The event, which is in the eye of storm, would be attended by Gandhis and the top leadership of the party. In a bid to cover up, Congress cadre covered the distorted map with a sticker. However, it was not replaced with the correct map of India. And the BJP has now accused the Congress of allying with anti-India and divisive forces. BJP also alleged that the distorted map also displays the tukde tukde and the vote bank appeasement mindset of the Congress.
अब इससे एक बात बहुत साफ हो गया है कि भारत को छिन्न भिन्न करने का स्वप्न देखने वाले शक्तियां, भारत को तोड़ने का ख्वाब देखने वाली ताकतों के साथ कांग्रेस के गठजोड़ की तस्वीर अब एकदम साफ हो गई है। भारत को छिन्न भिन्न करने वाली शक्तियों के साथ कांग्रेस की दुरभिसंधि का चित्र इस मानचित्र के साथ बिल्कुल साफ हो गया है। कांग्रेस ने निरंतर इससे पूर्व भी भारत के नक्शे के साथ इसी प्रकार की छेड़छाड़ की है।
ये मिस्टेक की बातें नहीं उठता, क्योंकि इनका माइंड सेट ही होता है, वही है। उसके वास्ते क्या वो लगाया, वो सच लगाया, उसको हम खिलाफ लड़ेंगे।
कांग्रेस पार्टी कहती है भारत जोड़ो, पर दरअसल इनकी नीयत केवल और केवल भारत तोड़ो की है। और आज जिस प्रकार से उनके बेलगावी के प्रोग्राम में भारत का एक डिस्टॉर्टेड मैप दिखाया गया है, जिसमें कि भारत के जम्मू कश्मीर को पाकिस्तान में दिखाया गया है, जिसमें कि भारत के जम्मू कश्मीर को अक्साई चीन को चाइना में दिखाया गया है। ये दिखाता है कि कांग्रेस की मानसिकता हमेशा भारत के टुकड़े करने की है। जम्मू कश्मीर को ही भारत से हटा देना और पाकिस्तान को सौंप देना और पाकिस्तान के सुर से सुर मिलाना, यही कांग्रेस का एजेंडा है।
Now, the Congress initially dismissed the allegations by BJP and called it an attempt to deviate from the issues. However, now Congress says that the distorted map was put up by the local MLA and was not an official poster of Karnataka Congress.
Problem with the BJP is that the BJP is busy without business. They don't talk about issues that matter. They are making an issue where none exists. Some local person must have done it. It is not the Congress party's official posters that are being put. The reality is that even there, it's an expanded India.
अनफॉर्चुनेट है कि वो खुद का कुछ भी सवाल का जवाब नहीं दे रहे हैं। मैं उनसे एक सवाल करती हूँ कि अभी एक महीने की सब्जी 2000 में आती थी और आज एक हफ्ते की सब्जी भी 2000 में नहीं आ रही है, उस पे क्यों नहीं आप उत्तर दे रहे हैं? प्याज और आलू इतना महंगा क्यों है? हरी मिर्च इतनी महंगी क्यों है? धनिया इतनी महंगी क्यों है? लौकी इतनी महंगी क्यों है? उस पे क्यों नहीं जवाब दे रहे हैं? ये सिर्फ मुद्दे को डाइवर्ट करना चाहते हैं।
BJP is also saying that the Congress party has used a distorted map of India in its posters. How do you like to react to it? Because they are saying that it's an attack on...
I've not seen that, but I don't think that's likely. The Congress has been fighting for the map of India since ever.
Let's go across to Niyamika, who in fact spoke to the Congress leaders, and they are hitting back. But there's no clear explanation coming in as to, how did this happen? While the BJP is, of course, latching onto the issue to highlight and allege that they are with anti-India forces.
Clarification has come on the part of the Congress party, because the Congress spokesperson as well as the CWC member, Ms. Supriya Shuneth, has spoken to Times Now, and she has mentioned that it is a poster which is being put up there by a local MLA, and it is not an official poster of the Karnataka Congress. So that is the clarification which has come on the part of the Congress party, as they are saying that it is just a diversionary tactics on the part of the BJP, because today is an extended CWC meeting that is going to take place in Belagavi, and the Congress party is alleging that because the BJP has played no role in the freedom struggle, they do not know the legacy of Mahatma Gandhi, and that is the only reason why as the Congress party is celebrating this day, the BJP wants to divert the attention from the real issue. In fact, she has also mentioned that even then the map has been expanded, the picture which is being put up there, it is being basically the Congress party is not changing that particular poster. In fact, they have hide that particular map which is being put up there by a local MLA in Karnataka in view of the CWC meeting today. As in fact, the other Congress leaders have also made an attack upon the BJP, saying that they do not have any other issue to raise, and that is the only reason why they are trying to get some faults in the posters, and that is the reason why they are raking up this irrelevant issue. What they are saying, as the Congress party has also questioned the BJP that about all those questions which the Congress party is raising, whether it is about the inflation or the alleged attack upon the democracy or the constitution, why the BJP is not responding to that, and that is the only reason why they are saying that this is nothing but just a diversionary tactics which is being opted by the BJP.
Right, so the Congress is calling it a conspiracy tactics of the Bharatiya Janata Party to deviate from the real issues, while the BJP hitting out at the Congress says this is nothing but the Congress's tukde or the vote bank mindset of the party. Initially, of course, we saw Niyamika that the Congress party seemed to be on the back foot. Now hitting back at the Bharatiya Janata Party, and like we heard Supriya Shrinate say that the Bharatiya Janata Party has no other business, they are busy without business. That's the specific jibe that she took at the BJP.
Well, yes, that's right. As earlier it was Supriya Shrinate who had attacked upon the BJP, saying that it is the BJP who do not believe in the ideology, who do not believe in the legacy of Mahatma Gandhi, as they had no role to play in the freedom struggle, and it is the BJP only who had written apology letter to the Britishers, and that is the reason why they are not happy with the with this celebration of the Congress party about which is basically about the legacy of Mahatma Gandhi, because 100 years back it was Mahatma Gandhi who was in 1924 session, Belagavi session, he had taken up the presidency of the Congress party, and the BJP is not happy about it, and that is the only reason why they are trying to divert the attention from the real issues. But later on, when we had spoken to Ms. Supriya Shrinate, she had also given a clarification that it is an irrelevant issue which the BJP is trying to rake up, because that particular poster was not an official poster of the Karnataka Congress, or any of the top leader had put it up there, as it was a local MLA who had used that poster upon which the Congress party is.
All right, Niyamika, thank you very much for getting us the details. We have to move on now. We have some breaking inputs coming.